Dear connections, today we will discuss about one important Power BI problem resolution which I have invented recently. We all know that Power BI has various connection mode like nearly 450 connection mode where SQL Server, various databases, Excel, CSV, text, PDF, all the things are there. There is one more connector present which is folder connector. So recent time all the Power BI developers are facing issue in this folder connector. So let me show you what issue they are facing currently. So let me show you one of my folder. See, in my desktop I created a folder called main folder. Under this main folder, one more folder called subfolder 1 present. Another folder subfolder 2 is present under it. Another folder called subfolder 3 is present under subfolder 2. And under this subfolder 3, this employee data Excel is there which we need to import in our Power BI desktop. So for importing this, what all are doing is like, yeah. So now here we will click on enter data. At first I am showing you the issue. What the issue all people are facing. Oh sorry, not this one. We need to click on get data. Then more. So here just type folder. See, this kind of issue may you may face in SharePoint path also, SharePoint folder also, but as of now I am showing for folder. So click on folder. So it is loading. See here we need to give the folder path. Okay. So here the folder path is there. We just need to click on here, do a control C. Now go to Power BI and paste it. Hmm. Now click on OK. Now just see what issue will come. See, it is showing the Excel data, and this one it is showing because my Excel is already open. Let me, this was the Excel I placed under the subfolder. Let me close it. So see this, like this, so it is showing. Okay, but we don't need like this. We need this excel.xls file as here. So click on cancel. Some are trying another method, but that method also not working. Like click on folder. So some Power BI developers are using this browse button to select. Like it is present under desktop, then main folder and subfolder. See, still the Excel icon is not coming. And if you click on OK and click on OK, you will get exactly the same thing. That one liner value which we can't take, which we can't take. So how to solve this issue? To solve this issue, you need to click on either get data or you can click on direct Excel workbook also because the dataset is an Excel. Now we all know, like since you are a Power BI developer, you know in which SharePoint path or in which folder the file is present. So click on main folder, subfolder 1, subfolder 2, subfolder 3, employee data, click on OK. It is loading. See, now it is coming correctly. Now you can click on, you can check the check boxes, see the preview of data and load the data. So like this way you can solve your folder connector issue. So I hope you all have understood the thing. Thank you. Let's meet in some other video.